Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
Good morning. Let me close this though, cause my granny talking stuff. What's up? What's good, YouTube? I'm very much so not that energetic right now because it is very early in the morning and I just woke up. Currently 10:39 in the morning. I'm a little late for class. Go figures. So this is just gonna be like a mini vlog. My lips look bad. My lips is not this dark in person, I swear. I did a vlog for y'all yesterday, but I got my new camera and I kind of don't know how to use that no more. So it was going in slow-mo the whole time, so nothing was recorded basically. And I ain't gonna lie, that really pissed me off, but today is a new day. I'm so excited because I finally have my new camera. I'm waiting for the rest of my accessories to come in. I have the tripod, the flash attachment, the transfer cord. I think that's it. Still late, but we're making coffee because it makes us feel good. It's just something about coffee. I cannot start my day without it. Like, it just don't even feel right. Like, nothing about my day makes sense if I don't start it with coffee. And I hate that I just started this habit because it's a pretty expensive habit, especially if I don't have enough time to make it at home and I'm on my way out somewhere. Dunkin' is about $3 to $5. Then if I want some fancy shit, that's like $6, $7. It's just too much for a day to day. Why I can't just drink water and call it a day? I am out of class. This is so awkward walking around with a camera. Like, how do people do this? Okay, now that I'm not like in the bare public, even though this is very much so the public, I can talk to y'all. I just be feeling so awkward around people just sitting up here talking to myself to a camera. Like, what? Anywho, class was good. I gotta finish my presentation. I don't have my laptop charger, so I have to finish that at home. But it's all good. And I made my mind up. I actually am going to the gym. I'm hungry as shit, y'all. I didn't even eat nothing today. I still gotta put everything back in my fridge because we just got a new refrigerator. So there's nothing in the new fridge. I gotta set that up. After we get everything situated at home, then we go to the gym. So yeah. Fun fact, when I was losing weight and I would have a hard time trying to find things to eat that was low calorie, I would always eat meat, at least one can of this and a salad, because this only has 370 calories, and then if you split it in half you only get it 170. It'll be easy to like stretch this to last the whole day, so I would eat a lot of these. But remember, when you're trying to do like calorie deficiency, go on Google and look on a calorie deficiency calculator to see exactly how many calories you should be intaking a day to lose a certain amount of pounds. But of course that comes along with getting some more steps in and exercising and things like that. If I was shedding them pounds straight off, when they say you are what you eat, you really are what you eat. They do not be lying. I know I said when I got done eating I was gonna go to the gym. I am. But I just caught the itis, so I gotta take me a little nap first. But once I take my nap, I'm gonna be fully rejuvenated and I can be my best self at the gym, because that makes sense, right? Just gonna take us a nap, and I'll see y'all when I wake from my slumber. I'm finally up, and it may or may not be a little bit past my cutoff time. The worst thing in the world is going to the gym in the cold. It's just terrible. So y'all have to bear with me because I'm still camera shy and I don't want to just have my camera all out in the open with me recording. So y'all might not see much. So really this day when I went to the gym, I didn't do much. I kind of just spent most of my time on the treadmill and the Stairmaster for cardio, just to get a good sweat. Then I tried to end my treadmill time with a little run, a little jog. You see me. My fat ass can't run no faster than that, so you get what you got. I just left the gym and I just got a notification that my Amazon package is here with all of my accessories to my new camera. So I was just gonna do an unboxing for y'all. First thing I bought was an adapter because I need to edit my videos on my laptop, so this allows me to do so. The next thing I got was, oh Lord, thank you Jesus, a tripod. Then the last thing I have, which I'm really excited for, is this external flash. I've seen a lot of good stuff about this on TikTok as well as Amazon. I saw a few reviews. I'm excited about this. I really want to start like doing lifestyle shoots, helping them with their content, doing reels, since I have a good quality camera now. So I'm trying to rack up on all of my little accessories that I need. We just got to keep investing in ourselves, slowly but surely. Yeah, I was in debates about changing my YouTube name to All About Ava, which that's probably the name right now, but I'm gonna change it because it's too hard to find when you type it in. Like when I typed in All About Ava, Ava did not pop up. This Ava did not pop up. So I need y'all to see me the first time. Another announcement, my Instagram name has changed after like 4 years. Hold on, let me get my drink. Like I was saying, my Instagram name has changed. Ava.Latrice_ or 2 underscores. I think it's just 1 because I didn't want to be complicated. I feel like Ava for show is 1, a little played out, and 2, it's just not really professional. But I am now filming with the SONY E10. I'm still trying to learn it. I'm still doing hella research on it. I have enough knowledge to know a little bit about what to do with this camera. Mad because the first day I started filming, everything was in slow-mo and I didn't know what S and Q meant, or S and P, whatever it says on there with the settings with the slow-mo.
I just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you.
Yeah, y'all, and go like my most recent post. Go like my boo. She worked hard, and I worked hard too. I'll put her in this video. Tap in. Drink y'all kombucha.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending.
Well, y'all, I think that concludes my vlog. And I have my 2 plates full of random things next to me because I just couldn't make up my mind. I have me a lovely, very odd looking salad. I did not cut my eggs up because I didn't feel like doing that. I was ready to sit down. And then I got my avocado lime ranch on here. And this is a Power Greens bowl of shrimp and spinach. This is my go-to, especially when I come back from the gym. I love just eating me some seafood and some type of vegetable. Then I just noticed I got 2 servings of spinach. I love the out of spinach, like for real. I can eat this stuff all day. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you watched it this long, because like I said, I know it was boring. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so you can be notified on when I post. But yeah, guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Peace, love, and hair grease, my loves.